Every surah has a central theme. The ayat have not been joined together without any basis. Otherwise, it would be very easy to fix the number 10 ayat, go to make a surah. Another 10, another surah. Another 10, another surah. Or so on. 4, 5. But when we see there are surah of having 3 ayat only. Surahs having 300 ayat. 286 is very near 300. So there is some wisdom behind it. Faizul Hakim la yakhlu anil hikmah. No action of a wise man can be without wisdom. There's necessarily wisdom behind it. And Allah is Al-Hakim. So if He has decided these surahs to be formed like this, there's definitely hikmah, wisdom, purpose. So every surah has a central theme, and we call it umud. Umud, you know, the column, umud. And all the ayat that are included in that surah are connected logically to that central theme. We can keep before us the example of a garland. It has, you know, a wire or something of that sort, a thread, in which the diamonds or the pearls or the flowers, you know, they are kneaded together. So actually, every ayah is like a flower, it's like a diamond of golden, of divine beauty and divine wisdom and divine knowledge. But then that thread of that surah has made it into a garland. And you know, every flower, every diamond, every pearl has a beauty of its own. But when you arrange them, another dimension of beauty is added due to that arrangement. So that arrangement of ayat in the form of surahs is very important.